47 Indus Street is a statement family home, showcasing a comprehensive remodelling of its 1970s frame. With high ceilings, city views, a swimming pool and a custom-designed floor plan, this property will not disappoint. Come inside and take a look.
Distinguished by its idyllic private 1,142 square metre setting amidst lush natural bushland, this 1970s architectural abode is the perfect family home. Crystal chandeliers, a warm collection of colour tones, plush carpets and full-height glass doors and windows reflect the home's sophisticated grandeur. With a focus on space and light, the multiple indoor-outdoor living areas blend seamlessly, taking full advantage of the stunning city and gateway bridge vistas. Featuring a wine cellar, gymnasium, rumpus room and swimming pool, this expansive family residence will not disappoint.